Cold today, cold wind coming in from Russia. It's about a couple of degrees above freezing, but the sun's trying to get out there, look. Oh, the horses in the next field think, hey, you're coming to see us. Look, I'm coming up to the wall, look. Hey, are you coming to see us? Oh, mad dogs and Englishmen go out in a freezing fog. You see there, look, I've got a heat pad on the handle of my detector. I tend to get a bit of cold finger, but it works a treat. Okay, I'm back in the, let's call it the Gothic field. It's where I got that Gothic flooring over there. It's where I was yesterday. I just walked through a field to get here and nothing in it, look, bits of bloody junk. But I've just had a coin ball here. Just change hands. And yes, indeed, it is a coin. But what kind of coin? George V bronze penny. Right, we'll continue down this wall. A horseshoe. Hey, it's been a while since I've had a horseshoe. Oh, let's hope it brings me some luck. It's looking a little bit brighter, but there's still snow on the hills, look. Hello, big fella. Oh, you're stuck out in the cold, eh? Well, what I got for you here. How about that, look? Eh? How's about that, eh? How's about that? Hey. Oh, that's your lot. There isn't any more. No, sorry. Oh dear. Brrr. Back to the grind. Oh, he's got a little Shetland now. Little Shetland pony. All wrapped up because it's cold. And those things live in the cold up in the Shetlands. Oh, my mate's come back. You've had it now. There's nothing else to eat. Okay, I'm back to where I left off yesterday. You still see a bit of muck there from the finds I got yesterday, but from here upwards, 1 penny. Right, I'm just going to have a look up somewhere else that I think I've been neglecting. Oh. Whoa. It's a bit bleak. When I first did this field, quite some time back, I found a few coins up by that wall. So I've just come back to check it's not a picnic ground. And, oh, there's a pewter spoon. So we'll give it some welly up here now then. Right, that was pretty much waste of time. I'm back in the field, let's call it the gold and silver field, where I found that little brooch. I'm just doing down beyond where I went. Got a coin ball. And it's a coin. Oh, threepenny bit. Hey, a 2-coin hunt. Yeah. Cold. Look at that. I've not had one of them type. What's that? That's 18 buckles for the month now. I think it's 18. Beautiful big buckle lock. Belter, good condition. A door handle. I think it's off a car. I'm going to find enough bits here to build one. Here's a simple technique that pays off. When I'm walking to one field, I came through this field and I went right down the wall. Now when I go back to the car, I come one swing out, so I'm running the second swing now, and I'll walk that all the way back to the car. And just come up with one of these. Now I've seen one of these on the YouTube quite recently. It had chains off it. I'm wondering what it is. Okay, on my second swing up the wall, a ring. Not a finger ring, a bronze ring. Very, very light. Possibly one of those ornate buttons, you know, the Dorset buttons. Right. Oh, actually, it's very pleasant here in the lee of this wall. The cold wind's coming from Russia, which is that way, and it ain't coming through this wall, so here it's nice and still. It's actually quite pleasant. Don't stop me sniffing though. Oh, I might hang around here a little bit. I was going to go because I'd got cold. My heating pads are wearing out. Well, God send that, having warm hands, it was brilliant. Anyway, if we don't see you again, I'll see you at the roundup. Oh, a third coin. I was going to pack it in and I thought, no, let's go down and see if there's something in that corner. 1882, halfpenny, Victorian. A 3-coin hunt. Hey. Right, I knew there had to be a stile down here somewhere. Look, it's been built out. That vertical stone. And the halfpenny was just there. So presumably going up this wall or going to that gate. I think I found the continuation of the footpath. Hey. There we go, nice little buckle there. Second swing up the wall. We're talking about maybe 10 feet from the wall, these finds. 303 rifle cartridge. Has been fired, look. Now, you're too small for a coin. Oh, I don't know though. I don't know though. Well, got to be a farthing, but what a who, no idea. Let's just call him a Georgian farthing, eh? Hey, a mill tag. I got a feeling the farmers' daughters, they worked down in the mills, but they also worked on harvest as well. And they used to bring the tags home with them. I'm gonna have trouble with this. No. Yep, we're gonna have trouble with that one. Oh, there's another one in the same hole. Oh, it's Prince Smith and Sons. the Burlington shed, Keithley. Huh, two in the same hole, my goodness. Pewter spoon. I was supposed to have gone home half an hour ago. Still cars just there, looking gate, so not far away. The sun is nearly going down now. So lack of light will stop play soon. Oh, it's starting to come in cold. Clog clip. Huh. Oh, just started producing this, time to go home. Now that is the granddaddy of all iron rings, is that, look? Oh, my compulsory iron ring. That's ridiculous, look. It's huge. Oh dear. Oh, I thought it was a teapot spout, but it isn't. It's just a bracket of some description. Give it a clean up. Spade deep and a bit of muck. That's 9 inches plus, and there we go. Oh, oh boy, another buckle. That's 20 for this month. I'm just walking back to the car. Look there, 3 swings out from the wall, and guess what? Another buckle. That's 21 for the month. I very much doubt I'm going to get anything from here to there, but you never know. If not, see you at the roundup. I don't believe it. A large copper penny. I don't know if it's a Vicky or a George 3. I'll have to clean it up. The car's there, I can't get to it. This is ridiculous. Come on, what are you? Ooh, you're interesting. What are you? Somebody said, let's see you dig them up. Here we go. That's big. Wherever you are, you're big. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, a double whoa. What on earth are you? You're a big, you are one fancy lid, you are. Oh no, it could be it could be a petrol cap. Whoops. Huge thing. At last, back to the car. She'll have to come back tomorrow. Oh, me ears are frozen, me fingers are falling off. Hello, welcome to the roundup. Oh, what started off as a very hard won pieces hunt turned at the end into I couldn't get away. They were just coming every couple of paces. I was getting a big bouncing signal. But anyway, let's see what I got today. Look at this lot. These are all car parts as far as I can tell. There's a valve there, nuts, bits of things, big sprockets, you know, off chains, big ones. These aren't bike chains, these are massive. Pipe there, probably a fuel pipe. Cogs there, one's missing, that's why it got slung. This has got a sort of a ratchet inside, not sure what that is. This is a petrol cap off a Datsun. This lifts up and you can see it's got a key inside there, but that part's rusted, and if I lift that up I'll just break it. But it's all plastic. There's only the middle bit there that's metal. So, whoa, I wondered what that one was. Right, what we got there? 1952, and it's an animal tag. Very conveniently got the date on it, thank you very much. Lead. Bits of lead. Always get bits of lead. When I scrap these, I'm going to make a fortune. But I always look at the lead because sometimes there's things on them that's not obvious till you clean them. Now, are they products of your imagination, or are they actual things? This sort of stuff I can't tell. I can see stars and God knows what in there. A bit like this. Made into a triangular bit. Oh, and it's got a hole on. Oh no, it hasn't. It's a bit of water shining. This, obviously a washer for something, a gasket. This one, what on earth is this? It's lead. It almost looks like a fingernail. But, oh, no idea what you are. Anybody know what this is? Right. Oh, all sorts of stuff coming up today. This is a knob of something. Well gone. That, I don't know what this is. I've seen one on YouTube. Had a chain coming up there and a chain down there, and this end's the same, but they didn't know what it was either. A piece of fancy metal. Oh, I just hate it when you think, I've seen these, but where? A bullet. 303. Rifle bullet. Fired. Pewter. Ball of a pewter spoon. Again, pewter utensil here. I left this bent because when you straighten them they just break off. Pewter. It doesn't survive right well, does it? Now, what we got here? Buckles. I've had 21 buckles this month. I buckled to death today. Nice buckles. Look at some of these. This one's got the... Usually I knock the iron bit off, but I thought I'd just leave that on for a laugh. Little buckle there, nice one. Yeah, and then this one. Don't think I've had one of these type. Good buckles though. Nice hefty bronze or brass, whatever they are. Right, coming down here, a clog clasp, fastening the uppers on leather uppers on clogs. Clogs go with these. These are mill tags for down in the town, in the mills. 2 of them in one hole, most unusual. But they're from the Prince Smith and Sons Burlington shed in Keighley. B720 and D720. These were workers' tags, were these, for the workers. Which, like I think I said, a lot of, say, the farmers' daughters and wives even would have worked down in the mills, come up, maybe do a bit of harvesting in the field, drop them. A bronze ring, very delicate, very thin. Doesn't really look as though it support any weight, which makes me think it might be one of them Dorset buttons. Coins, I got 5. One time I didn't think I was going to get any. There's a 1937 there. Look, I'll check there. Look, it's 37. But I was under the impression he didn't come to the throne till 38. Edward VII abdicated in 38, didn't he? Well, this is George VI. I'll check up on that one. We've got a 1928 penny, bronze penny, an 1882 halfpenny. This is about 1800, something like that, though maybe earlier, maybe a bit later. Don't know what you are. You look like a farthing or one of these thin foreign things, coins. They were very prevalent around about 1850. And then this one, 1850s, 1851 to, or anywhere up to 55, say. It's a Victoria copper, one of the large Victorian copper pennies. Round my neck of the woods, these are much rarer than the Georgian pennies. I've had 2 of these round here. I've had dozens of Georgian. The way you can tell when they're a bit grotty like this, if you can actually make out Britannia, if she's facing to the right, that's the shield behind her there, and she's facing to the right, it's Victorian. If she's the other way around, the shield behind her on this side facing to the left, she's George III. Sometimes these are they're the only clues you can get sometimes when the coins are really gone. But there you can see her head there, look. Young head Victoria. There they go. There you go, look there, you can see her now. I'm quite pleased when I get these, about 1850-ish. But they are what I thought was going to be an absolutely useless day, produced some really nice goodies. So, as I say, look, it's out there. All you got to do is go out and get it. So good luck, happy hunting. Bye.